Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you're doing great and taking care of yourself. I am back with another exciting video on Windows functions in SQL. So what are these Windows functions? Remember in school days we used to have first rank, second rank, third rank, fourth rank and fifth rank. The school members who have performed best in their class. So it's similar to that concept where we have certain ranks like row number, the rank as well as dense rank, which helps you to assign the rank to the specified results of your SQL query. And that's all we are going to talk in today's video. What are these Windows function and what each of these Windows function help us to assign the rank based on our results. So without much further delay, let's get started. So friends, as always, we will be first going through a theoretical knowledge of what is row number, what is rank, what is dense rank, and then we will be having a hands-on session to understand what each of these means. Okay, so coming to our ranking functions in Oracle SQL, or people call it as the Windows function in Oracle SQL. So the first one, as you see on my screen, is the row number. What is this row number? We will look in next minute. Then we have something called as a rank, and the third one is something called as a dense rank. So let's look at each of these definitions, and then we will have a hands-on session on this. So what is row number? The functions assigns a unique sequential integer to each row within the result set starting from 1. So if you have 10 rows, it will assign 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the that's the row number Windows function. What is the syntax of row number now? So you need to write row underscore number, open brackets, close brackets, over order by the column name which you want in the ascending order or the descending order. Based on that column name, it will start assigning the row number. So what is rank? The functions assigns a rank to each row based on the specified order. The rows with the same value for the ordering column receive the same rank. Don't worry, we are going to have a hands-on session of this. So very simple. For an example, I have an employee salary of 100 rupees, 100 rupees, 200, 300, 400. So now these 100 rupees, in if I go with a row number, it will have 1, 2, 3, 4 records. But the rank will basically assign, since 100 and 100 are the one. Okay, so it will assign that and then it will skip and go with the next rank. Don't worry, you will see this in our hands-on session, but as of now, just remember that it also assigns the rank based on the specified order. The rows with the same value of the ordering column receive the same rank. What is dense rank? This function also gives the same rank to the dice but does not skip the numbers. When I talk about does not skip the numbers, for an example, coming back to the same thing, so I have a salary of an employee which is 100 rupees, 100 rupees, 200, 300, 400. In the rank, it was basically 1 1 and then it went to 3, but the dense rank will make sure it gives you the proper ranking. So 1 1 2 3. So first row will have first ranking 100 rupees, second row will also have the one with 100 rupees, but the third row, which is the 200 rupees, will have now 2, but in the rank we skipped 2 and we move to the third. So that's the difference between the dense rank and the rank, and the row number is pretty much simpler, has a sequential number. Now I hope you got an understanding of what each of these ranking functions means. Now I am excited to show you the hands-on session by using my one compiler, online compiler of the SQL. Don't worry, I'm going to share that link in the video description. So let's get into a hand-on session. So friends, as always, I'm going to basically use an online compiler to show you the demo of what we have learned from the Windows perspective. So as you can see on the screen, on the left side, we have customers, orders, shipping table, and on the right side, we have the records of customers table, order table, and the shipping table. So as you see here in the SQL editor, we have select first name age from customers. Let's now make this use of row number to see what ranking we get. See here we have Robert and David of 20 to 22, and then we have 25, 28, and 31. So let's see what the row number gives us an output. As per the definition, it is a sequential integer assigning as a rank to the records. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going on the next row as a row number, and as per our syntax, row the over order by, we are doing order by on age. Okay, and I want in ascending order, and I'm giving a name of that row as a row number, and I am just now executing it, and let's see what we get. If you see, we have got a sequential integer which is 1 2 3 4 5. Even though Robert and David age is 22, but it has given us the sequential unique integer. Now if I just change this to rank and put this as rank and see what happens. And if you see, the Robert and David both were 22 age, and the rank is given 1 1. It skipped the second one, and then it gave 3 4 5. So that's how the ranking works, and that's the definition of the ranking is. Now let's just add here dense, and let's see what output we get. Okay, and if you see, it has not skipped the sequential integer. It has given the ranking of Robert has and David of the age 20 to 22 has 1, and for 25th it has 25, it has given 2 3 4. So that's the difference between the rank and the dense rank. Now what I'm going to do is, whatever we have seen, I'm just going to put this here one by one and side by side, so you know what is the difference between these. Okay, coming here, row number, I'm just going to change this to row number, and make this as row number, comma, and now we have everything, and let's execute. So you see, the row number is 1 2 3 4 5. The rank is 1 1. It skipped the second, it gave 3 4 5, but the dense rank followed the sequential, so it's 1 1 2 3 4. So that's the difference between the rank and the dense rank versus the row number. I hope you got an understanding of how to use the Windows functions, or we call it as a ranking functions in Oracle SQL. If you see, this has really added a value to your journey of refreshing the SQL concepts or the journey of learning SQL for beginners. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get such more videos notified by hitting the bell icon whenever I upload. Until then, take care. Bye bye.